Now let's begin with the STM32 interfacing with sensors. First, you need to open the STM32 Cube IDE software. Whereas use for Arduino Uno and ESP32, we have used Arduino IDE. Likewise, for STM32, we have STM32 Cube IDE. After you open the software, you have make sure that you have like login into your account which you have used using the registration of Cube IDE. Once you have logged in, click on File, New, STM32 project. It will take some time to load the data for the STM32 software. Once it is loaded, go to board selector. Here you need to enter the number which you are using. Here we are using F103RB. Click on that option. Next you need to click on this number. Okay. Once you are clicked, click on next. Here you need to give the file name. I will give as LED blink. Okay. After you give the file name, click on finish. This window will pop up. Okay, this is the processor used in the Nucleo board. Here you can see that the pins which are available in the processor. PA4 means port A, fourth pin. Likewise, there are PC5, PB0 and PD pins. Okay, next, for first program is the LED blinking program. So you need to configure which pin is used to connect the LED. Here we are using PA4. This PA4 can be configured in these many ways. Okay, it can be configured as GPIO input, output, analog, reset pin, or ADC pins or SPI pins also. Okay, first connect your board to your system. Next, configure this pin as GPIO output because LED is a output device. Here you can see that it is labeled as GPIO output, but you can give your user label also. Right click on the pin and enter user label. Enter user label. Here you need to give the label whichever suitable, whichever is suitable. For now I am giving as LED because I have connected LED to that PA4 pin. After you configuring that pin as output or input, click on Control Yes. Now the code will be automatically generated for the LED blinking program. Just you need to write the logic for that code. Here in the scroll down below, here you can see that user code begin 3. Here you need to write your logic to that code. Once you have written the logic, this is the programming in HAL programming. STM is programmed using HAL programming. Once you have written the code, click on Control S. Here you can see that build option. Once you click on build option, it will check for errors if there are any present in the code. Once it is build finished, click on run program. Here you can see that the run symbol. Click on run symbol. It will debug once again and it will upload the code to the STM32. Wait for some time. After it is download verified successfully, it means the code is uploaded to the STM32 Nucleo board. Now you need to make the hardware connections and check the output.
So this is the hardware interface between the LED and the STM32 Nucleo board. So let's start the connection. As you previously uploaded the program in the STM32 and the LED was connected to the pin PC13. So let's connect to the pin PC13. And ground terminal of the STM32. So as you can see, the LED turn on and off for every 1 second. So this is the hardware connection between the LED and the STM32 Nucleo board.